So here is a Manychat Instagram automation tutorial. Manychat is a cloud-based chatbot platform that helps businesses manage customer interactions across multiple channels, such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Using Manychat comes with many benefits, such as powerful chatbot platform, comment automation, etc. So click on my link in the description to use Manychat for free. After that, click on Sign In, and then you will get to see many options. From here, we'll go ahead and click on Instagram. And as you can see, Manychat requires certain permissions to build automation with Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So click on Continue with Facebook. So on this section, you need to continue as your Facebook account. So click on Continue as your account. Then wait for it to log in to your account. And on the next page, you will get to see your email address. If you confirm it, click on Next. And if you want to change your email address, click on Change Email Address right here. After that, remove the previous email address and type in your new one. So I will do that right here. So once you put in your email address, click on Next. But I've put in the wrong email format. So I'll fix it and click on Next. And as you can see, it asks you to check your inbox. So go ahead and open up your email inbox and check out the message that you received from Manychat. You will receive a 6-digit code. Once you get it, just type it in right here. So after you're done typing it in, you will get to see this section. Here, select what type of company do you work for, what team do you work for, and what is the size of your company. And once you've done selecting all of the options, click on Next on the bottom right corner. After that, click on Go to Instagram. So on this section, you will get to see this pop-up. So here, you need to click on Change in order to change your Instagram account to professional account. Then, select Creator or Business from what describes you best. Then click on Next. This way, go ahead and keep clicking on Next. Then from here, choose your account type and click on Next. And after that, just wait for it to load up. It may take a little while. Now, just click on Done, and your Instagram creator account will be ready. Here, on the Allow Access to Messages, you need to click on Allow. After it's done, this pop-up will be closed automatically and you will get to see this page. From here, click on Start with Free Plan. Now, select Business Use, or you can also choose other options if you want. Then click Next and select how do you intend to use Manychat. After that, select what best describes your company. Then click on Next again and select what e-commerce platform do you use. And if you select Other, you need to specify it. After that, you need to click on Next. Now, select how do you sell your products. Here, select Social Media and click Next. Then click Let's Start. So here, you need to choose what will start the automation. You have comments on posts or reels. After that, there are direct messages and story replies. Now go over to the left panel and click on Automation. Here, you can see My Automations, Basic, and Sequences. And here, as you can see, it says Create your first automation. So click on New Automation. After that, you will get to see these ready-to-go templates. Go through them and select the one that you like. And after you find the one that you like, just click on it. And we chose Auto Reply to Comment in DM. Click on Setup Template. On the next page, you will get to see all the processes that you need to set up, such as the replies to different messages. So now click on Plus New Trigger. After that, you will get to see some triggers that you can use. So click on the one that you want. We'll go with user comments on your post or reel. After that, you will see which post or reel do you want to use in automation. Now select the reel that you want, and after that, on the bottom, you will need to click on Continue. And on the next page, you will see what will start your DM automation. Here, you can put in specific keywords. So just click on the plus keyword section and type in the keyword that you want to trigger your DM automation. So as an example, I will type in editing. This way, you can add multiple keywords. So I will put in more, like reels. After that, I'll put the third one as link. Also, You can set keywords to exclude from comments. Or you can also choose any comment on the bottom. After that, click on Continue. After that, you will see the option to set public reply in the feed. So go through these available options, or you can also click on plus new replies on the bottom. So let's go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, we've got one more reply to choose from. Also, you can set no and then click on Save. And once you've made all the changes, you can click on Save. So as you can see, the new triggers has been added. And this right here is the path that it will follow. So here on this part, click on it to make any further changes. Then you will get to see this pop up on the left side. You can choose the entire text and replace it with whatever you want. So type in your desired text. And as you type it in, you will get to see it on the right side. Now if you scroll down further, you will see the option to type in more text as button. So I'm typing in thank you. And as you can see on the right side, it's showing in real time. After that, scroll down further on the left panel. Here, you will get to see some additional options to choose from. So go through them and make any necessary adjustments. After that, go ahead and click on this icon. This is where you can put in the button title. After that, you can put in a website URL. Then you have some more options. So let's go ahead and change the button title right here. And I will type in something like YouTube link. So this way, you can put in a YouTube link right here. And if you click on this button, it will redirect you to YouTube. In order to do that, you need to replace the website URL right here with the YouTube link that you want to redirect it to. So let's go ahead and open up a new tab with YouTube. Here, just open up the video that you want to link the button to. Now, just go ahead and click on the share button right here and click on copy. Copy the link of the YouTube video and paste it on the website URL section. Then just click on done. And once you're done making all the changes, click on set live on the top right. And here, you will get this message that says your first automation is live. So click on explore homepage. So this way, you can set up different replies for different options on your Instagram, whether it's comment replies or message replies in the DM. And setting up automated messages on Instagram will make it easier for you to handle your page and also for your customers to be happy because they will be receiving instant replies. So don't forget to click on my link in the description to start using Manychat for free. And that is the tutorial on how to do Manychat Instagram automation.